Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to organize layers in CapCut for PC. Start by launching the software and opening the specific project you want to edit. Bring in all the media you need, including videos, photos, or text, and place them onto your timeline. To stack multiple items, utilize the copy and paste tools. Simply right-click an element to copy it. Then right-click at your chosen spot on the timeline to paste it. To place one item beneath another, ensure you position it correctly on the timeline. For instance, if you want element B to sit under element A, place it accordingly. You can also modify the blend mode of your layers. Select a layer, navigate to the Basic tab, and pick a different blending option. If you are working with transparent images and want them to blend perfectly, try the Auto Cutout feature found in that same Basic section. CapCut also lets you assign specific layer numbers. Select your layer, go to the Basic settings, and locate the layer option. Assign a number where lower values represent higher visual positions. Continue this process for all other elements by adjusting their timeline placement and layer numerical values as required. Finally, check your work to confirm every element appears exactly as planned. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe.